IKEA KLOCKIS, as it says on the paper manual right here for front and back. We don't need that because you got this video. No buttons on the front, 2 buttons on the back, and a battery compartment. Now you'll notice that when you get this thing, it's got a rattle. There's a reason for that. That's a weight. This is the clock, and these symbols actually mean something. So there's the clock, there's the alarm, there's the timer, there's the current room temperature, and back to the clock. So we'll start with the clock first. Now if we use just the up arrow, that changes from 12 to 24-hour time. Right. If we do set, start with the hour, you set it with this. Oop, go back to the clock, sorry. Set, and this is how we set the hour. Oops, go back to 2. Now there is the date up here. Down here, let me get that in view better. There's the day of the week. That always blinks. You cannot set this, but it is set correctly by the date because there is an auto calendar feature in this, right? So if I get to the part where it shows the date and I set the correct day, so it's August 22, 2022, okay, and I'm done. I'll just let the light go out so I can focus on that again. It will show the correct day of the week, and yes, today is Monday. And that always blinks. And that's how you set the time. Now, for the alarm section, a complaint I saw in the reviews is like, I don't know how to turn the alarm off. What do I do? Okay, so we've got set and the other one, so we'll do set. Okay, and I'll just set one for 5 p.m. Note the p.m. Next field, 5:05. See that right there? That means the alarm is on. Now if I want to turn the alarm off, I believe it's set. Let's try that. Yeah, now it's off. So on, off. Let me just set that back to midnight. If I press and hold, it will fast scroll through the digits. There we go. It's on, it's off. Okay, on the timer screen. So now, this is a little weird because the buttons keep, depending on where you are, they keep changing position. So set, okay, so I can set minutes or seconds. The minutes go up to 99 and the seconds go up to 60 or 59 rather. So I'll just set it as a 10-second timer. Okay, there we go. This is what it sounds like when the timer elapses. Okay, and I can just do that to cancel the timer out. Now notice that when I go back to the timer, it just instantly starts. So in order to stop it from doing that, I go to set. I just press set once, set 3 times, and now it won't do it. There we go. On the temperature, I think this is the arrow is the only one that, yeah, you can go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I don't think the other button, no, the other button doesn't do anything here. And then back to the clock. Okay. Final thoughts. I actually like this design. I think this is really intuitive. I have 2 complaints. First complaint, the LCD is a little dim. It is a little dim. to, if you have this on your nightstand, in order to see the clock, I got to do this, and then I can read the time. There's no button on it just to turn on the light. I think that's it. That's really my only two complaints about this. But this sells at IKEA for $6.99. This thing is not expensive, so you can't really expect the world out of this thing. Oh, there is one other complaint I have. I can't set the seconds. So, is that a deal breaker? Not really. If you want to play it safe with this, especially if you use this for the alarm feature, set it 1 minute ahead so that you're woken up a little before when it's actually supposed to be. So at worst, this clock will only be off by about 30 to 45 seconds, because you'll notice it does not have a seconds display. It shows the seconds blinking, but it doesn't have a seconds display. But again, for $7, I am complaining, yet not really, because what do you expect for $7? I do really like the fact each section is color coded, so you really know where you are at any given time. I like the fact the clock display is actually red. That was smart, so that when you look at this at night, it's not, red is on the color used, so it's not beaming in your face. Like if it was the green one, like the timer, oh, that would be rough to look at night. But it's good that it's red. I like it. I guess one other thing I could say, I wish it was in a color other than white. It'd be nice if they offered like a yellow one, or a light green one, or light blue maybe, you know, some type of pastel colors. But I get it. This is with the IKEA aesthetic of minimalism, simplicity, and it's good though. Am I glad I got it? Yeah, I'm glad I got it. Because I went into an IKEA store for the first time recently. I had to get something and I saw this. I said, okay, I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this. And I like it so much, I think I might buy another one. It's cheap, so it's like, this is nice. All right, well, that's it. The IKEA KLOCKIS.